All right, so this form button here with .change is going to run the function setPicture. So when this, when any form HTML element, which in our case there's only one, is changed, it's going to run this function. So to test this out, since we don't actually have this code doing anything yet, we're just going to do an alert hi to make sure this thing actually works before we get too far along in our code. So we're going to run this, and once we change it, it should alert hi. Okay, so that works. All right, so now we're almost done with the program. So this pre-populates the select menu options. This runs the function setPicture once the form is changed, i.e. once the drop-down menu is clicked. So now the only thing we need to do is, we can get rid of this. We need to create the classes, one class for each the different options. So the classes are going to be called these here, which are the options that the user can click from. So we're just going to go ahead and copy paste this into our CSS file so that we know exactly what they're called, because if we mess up the syntax at all here, as you've seen in this video as well as others, it can be really annoying to fix. So we're just going to go through here and create these different classes. All right, so the first one here is going to be an NYC class. So again, the notation here is .nyc, and then we're just going to have it be background image, and we're going to do URL is this dot yeah. So dot gets you out of the file, and then // so dot gets us out of this JS folder and to this main directory, and then we can go in here to images, and we can select the NYC image there. So that should be it for that class, and we can just copy this a bunch of times and then go forward and copy paste this as these classes here, and just make sure we actually write the right thing. We're just going to use the autocomplete so that we don't screw anything up. So playable class, that's Seinfeld image. Last but not least, beach. Okay, all right, so now we have the different classes for each of our different images. Our index file here is going to allow the user to select from this dropdown of different options, which is then going to be stored in this variable once it's selected. And then that's going to change the background image to be this class, or it's going to change the class of the body HTML element to have the class of this background. So hopefully this should work. And we'll go ahead and we'll check the state of everything. And then we will just go here and click refresh. All right, so let's see if this actually works. All right, that works. Each works. Exchange works. Google, Seinfeld, and Ski. All right, great. So that was the end of this project, and I will see you in the next one.